So, Article 6, Section 16. Article 6, Section 16, na yung presidente ng Pilipinas pwedeng mag-appoint ng member ng House of Representatives or a senator na pwedeng maging cabinet secretary. Pero nakalagay doon na kailangan i-relinquish muna nila yung kanilang congressional seat o yung kanilang senatorial seat bago sila mag-serve as cabinet secretary. Well, kung matatandaan nyo itong si Secretary Remulla, ito ay nasa congressman ito, nasa House of Representatives ito si Secretary Boying Remulla, in-appoint ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas na si Bongbong Marcos para maging Justice Secretary. At kung maalala nyo rin, itong si Governor John Vic Remulla, dating governor ng Cavite, in-appoint bilang para maging secretary ng DILG dahil si Benhur Abalos tumakbo na pagkasenador, di nga lang nanalo. So yun nakalagay doon governor, ibig ko sabihin parang yung sinasabi nila, kailangan i-relinquish muna nila yung kanilang post bago sila mag-serve as cabinet secretary. So, kung hindi mo i-relinquish yung post mo, hindi ka magre-resign doon sa yung local government position, hindi ka pwedeng mag-serve as cabinet secretary. So, kung kaya kay Mayor Magalong, kung hindi siya magre-resign as Mayor of Baguio City, hindi siya pwedeng mag-serve as Special Advisor for the Independent Commission for Infrastructure. Yun yung sinasabi sa 1987 Constitution, kasi kailangan mag-resign ka muna bago ka mag-serve under the Executive Department. And Cabinet Secretaries are under Executive Department. Etong ICI na to, Independent Commission for Infrastructure, it is under the Executive Department kasi nabuo to under an executive order ng current President of the Philippines na si Bongbong Marcos. So, yun yung mga importanteng naiintindihan natin na mga constitutional provisions. Kailangan mag-resign muna siya bago siya mag-serve under the Executive Department. So, yun lang po.